And then there are the things, of course, it can't do. If you are a lawyer, you need to, or you're an advocate, you need to have a practicing license, and that license will be given to you based on your academic qualifications. It will be given to you on other parameters. You are a human being. You are able to do contracts. You are able to sue and be sued if you have, if you have created liability, somebody can sue you. So you couldn't get a practicing license if you are Chat GPT, because there may not be any capacity for you to compensate somebody suing you. And it cannot do some of the basic things that lawyers do, some like cross-examination, because it doesn't have the human emotions which are required to adjust to the instant situation that may need you and to adjust questions or withdraw questions or apologize or such things which are contextual. So a number of those things it cannot do at this time. And that's why we think that there is no existential threat to the lawyer so far, because without some of those, the tool itself is like a computer lying on a desk. It cannot produce the work.